Hello ladies and gentlemen, Danade Obuye here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your original WAEC result online in Nigeria, wherever you are, all over the world. But if you did your WAEC as a Nigerian student, you can get your original WAEC certificate, and it is super easy and affordable to save you stress, time, and even some resources. It's going to save you. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to come to portal.waec.org. So I'll put this link in this comment section. You can click on it to bring you here. So if you don't have an account, just come here and click on create account, and this will pop up for you here. Just close this. Then there are two ways in which you can actually create an account. You can create an account as a candidate by you're going to click on certificate access, and if it is school or institution that want to confirm if that particular certificate is real, they will click on this place. So it means that this is 100% legit and is directly from WAEC. Let me repeat myself again. It is directly from WAEC, so you have no fear whatsoever. Now, if you are a new candidate, just click on create certificate access. So all you have to put in is your username, put in your first name, your middle name, your email, your phone number, password, enter the password, and you're going to confirm. Email will be sent to you for verification. Please let me say this. You must know that your name must be exactly the name you are entering. Your surname, first name, middle name must be exactly the way it appears on your WAEC. So please take note of that. And if your name has changed, maybe due to marriage or whatever, just put your name accordingly, the way it is, like the way it is now. Just enter it, and when you enter it, then you will try to get your certificate. When you try to get your certificate, I actually went ahead to contact WAEC themselves, and I tell them, what about if a particular person is married? So let me just give you what they said here. So just to show you that even though if you are married, you can actually be able to do it. Let me come to my DM. I actually send them a DM that okay, somebody is married, can the person actually be able to get the WAEC certificate? So this is their reply. You can say, good afternoon, please, how can someone whose name has changed from that which she used on her WAEC be able to get her original WAEC certificate? She's married, so her surname have now changed. Please help me. And you can see the WAEC reply. WAEC said that upon certificate access, you will be prompted to provide documents regarding name change, such as newspaper certificate or newspaper publication, such as marriage certificate, newspaper publication, or court affidavit. So you can see this. They responded to me. So this means that you have no excuse not to get your WAEC certificate, and of course they'll give it to you. Just have to provide this document. So let me say you have already written your name, surname, your first name, your middle name. Just click on sign up, and I go to sign up. I have an account already, so I'm going to click on login. So I'm going to put in my own details to log in and show you how things work. So I'm currently logging into my own account. I've already gotten my own account and my own certificate already, and it's super amazing. So let's say, for example, you do not even know your examination, your candidate number again, which is your examination number. Let's say, for example, you do not know it. You can actually recover it, and this is amazing, guys. You can actually recover your certificate. So all you have to do is to tap on, you see this button here, view recovered number, view recover candidate number. When you tap on that, and this is going to just basically open up for you like this. So basically, I have none here. I have not been able to recover anyone here. So I'll just click on recover. And you are going to see this recover your candidate number is for candidates who cannot remember their exam number in the process of accessing. I require to provide the candidate's name that register with when they took the WAEC examination. This will enable the platform to recover the examination number. So now you see here, as your name change since you took your examination number, your WAEC examination. So if your name has changed, you click on yes. It has not changed, you click on no. So if I click on yes, for example, now you see it's going to tell me here, please ensure you provide the candidate's name you register with when you took your exam. This will enable us to recover your certificate. So you are not to enter your current name if your name has changed, maybe due to marriage or whatsoever reason. You have to put the particular name that you used when you are registering your WAEC. So I'm going to click on no, and I'm going to click on agree, and then you are going to be able to enter. You'll be able to choose your exam year. So as I told you earlier, you can actually recover is as far from 19, let me see, I think this is from as far as 1999 to present. So certificate is already available from 1999 to 2025 at now I'm recording this video. So if you're watching this video a year after, it's going to get updated. So I'm going to choose the year. Let's say for example, I'm choosing maybe I wrote my exam 2020, I don't even know it, my exam number again, and I'm going to choose is it WAEC for school certificate, school candidate, for private candidates or private candidate. Now for if you wrote your own as SSCE, that is you wore uniform to write your exam, you're going to pick this first one. But if you don't wear uniform, if you don't wear uniform and you go the first series, that is between January and February, you will choose this second one. But if you go to the second series, which will be between November and December, you choose this third one. Which one is for GCE? This one is for GCE. This one is for SSCE. Please, is that understood? So I'm going to choose this first one, which is for SSCE, because the candidates wear uniform. Then my name and details is going to fill up here. Of course, you can change it. Now, since my name did not change, that's why I cannot change it here. So if your name has changed, of course, you can just, and remember, even if your name changed, please use the name that you used when you actually write the registration. You do your exam, and you choose your sex, you choose your date of birth, and you click on I've confirmed, something like that. So let me just choose some things here. I'm just showing you how this can be done actually. Let me just choose a random date of birth. Okay, let me say let me just choose this. Let me choose this, and then you click on this. All right, so they are going to tell you that you have to agree to the terms and conditions. You click on agree, then you click on retrieve exam number, and you're going to make a payment of 3,000 naira to be able to recover your exam number. Now, I've actually done this for somebody, for a client. I did it for them, and I was able to recover it, but it took about 24 hours for them to actually send it to me. So I don't know, yours might be faster, or it might just be like mine, which I did for my candidate, which was actually in abroad, and she needed this very urgently, and she just messaged me, and I was able to help her to do it. And you must take note that every money you pay on this WAEC platform, it is unrefundable. It is non-refundable. So just click on make payment, and I go to make payment of 3,000 naira. But I'm not actually recovering. So when you make payment of 3,000 naira, you'll be able to actually get your examination number, so that they will send it to you. So if you come back here and click on view recovered exam number, you will see the exam number here. It's going to appear here. So when you tap on it, automatically it will get filled up into this place here. Now for you to get access to your WAEC certificate, if you know your exam number, you know your details, all you have to do is to enter the country. Currently now is only for Nigeria, so this is only going to work if you write your exam in Nigeria. You get it, WAEC Nigeria. They are going to select the year. So let's say I wrote my exam 2019, for example. I'm going to select the exam type. I told you the first one for the first exam type here is for SSCE. Second one is for GCE first series, which is done January, February, while the second one is for GCE second series, which is done November, December. So you'll be able to know which one you're going to select based on the time that you did your examination. So let's say I pick this first one. Then you're going to put a date of birth. Date of birth is optional, but you can just put it. Notice it's not going to harm you whatsoever. You put it there. Here you're going to enter your exam. I'm just putting this on. This is not my exam here. Actually, this is not my exam here. Let me just put this to make it complete. Then I'm going to confirm it again. When I confirm it, let me just put what I put here, and I'm going to repeat it. So you're going to put the correct one, confirm it, and you click on let's see, I think I cannot paste. Okay, I have to type it. So 53, mind you, this is not correct, so don't try to, I don't know, anything you want to do, it's not correct. All right, so I'm going to click on I have verified the information above, and I'm going to click on agree. So when I click on agree, and I'm going to click on access certificate. I'm not asking for certificate. I'm going to make a payment of 7,500 naira, which is non-refundable. So I'm going to make this particular payment to WAEC themselves, and just click on make payment, and they'll take it to where you can make payments. So maybe you click on make payment, this is going to get, the payment will be sent, and you'll be able to access your certificate. So when I click on that make payment, I can now come to certificates. When I click on certificate, so in this place here, this is where you're able to see your certificate, if your certificate is available. Now let me tell you this, maybe you click on make payment. and your money has already gone successfully, they are going to prompt you to try to verify your identity. So you have to submit either your BVN or your NIN number, not the code script, BVN, NIN number, or you put your international passport. Just put all those details there, and maybe they confirm you. They'll be sure that you're the one that's trying to access it yourself, and you're able to access your certificate, something similar to this. So this is my own certificate which I've accessed. My certificate, if I tap on it here, so this is my own, this is my own. If I tap on it here, my WAEC is going to open onto me, and it's pretty simple and very straightforward. So after you have verified using your NIN, it's just like a step-by-step thing. Maybe you make payment and you click on be able to ask certificate to ask you to put in your details to confirm you put in your address, your phone number, and you put your phone number, you will put in your means of identification, and immediately it's confirmed that everything is still the same thing with the one there. You will be able to access the certificate. So this is my certificate. If I tap on it now, I'll be able to access it. So this is my certificate rolling. And then if you want to download it, you're going to see this download button somewhere here. It's a small button, but you are going to see it. So this is download button. When you tap on the download button, it's going to get downloaded to your phone, and you're going to get your WAEC certificate. So guys, this is how you can get your original WAEC certificate. You can recover your examination number. It is very, very simple. In less than 5 minutes, you are done. And please let me tell you this: if you intend to do it for other people, let's say you want to do it as a means of extra cash, all you have to do is that make sure that you create accounts, separate accounts for each person they are trying to get their certificate for. Do not use your own account, otherwise you are going to run into problem. Hope that is understood. Do not use your own account. Do not try to say, okay, let me try to just use my own account. You won't be able to just get the certificate, because WAEC will believe that you are trying to steal somebody else's certificate. So you have to create an account for each person and use that person's details. Basically, use their details, then just follow the whole step, and you'll be able to get the WAEC certificate for the person or for the client. So guys, I'm Danade Oboye, and please, if you're new to my channel, kindly like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget that you can actually recover candidate number. You can use this one to recover candidate number, or you just come to this small button here, okay, this small button here, and you'll be able to do recover candidate number if that person has forgotten candidate number. If the person has not forgotten candidate number, you don't need to recover the candidate number. You don't need it if you already know it. Just follow the step and you get your certificate. So I'm Danade Oboye. I know this video has been very useful to you. Please like this video, share this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will be glad to reply you. So guys, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.